Hello everybody, it's me, Asawang Filipina, and to this video we're gonna unbox, but this is plastic unboxing. Anyway, I opened it already, but I did not film it, so I have to do it again to show you what's inside from this plastic. So let's get started. So okay, I was like, I have to put it back inside, so it looks like unboxing. So let's gonna open this one. Oh my god, it's not recorded when I do it, the recording for this unboxing. But then, anyway, it's not too late. I can show you guys. So, this is it. Ta-da! So, I'm so excited, my gosh. Still excited. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I can use this as a ring. Earrings. Earring. Earring is cut in the Philippines. So, this one, I will go to the car today and then I'm gonna show you how it looks like in the gas pedal. So come with me guys and let's go. But first I'm gonna make pictures for the shoes. So this is the shoes. I'll show you because it's really beautiful. So I make pictures with the shoes itself. So okay, now let's go in the car and I'm gonna show you and let's fit this on the car. Hello everybody, it's me. So again everybody, so we're here in the car and I have the shoes that we unboxed today. Let's fit this on. And oh my god, this is so beautiful than expected. So this is it. So sexy. And then this one. So this is what we have today. So I'm gonna park reverse. Park reverse. I'm gonna do reverse now. Put my car in the parking position. So that would be all for now, everyone. Hi. Check na ko ga.
Check na rin ma'am. Asa to check? Mani, ana ka ma'am.
Usara jud no?
506.
I-open ko no ga. Mobile ra ko ga. Ikaw i-open ga akong i-video ga. Ay, unsay size dito nakabutang ga?
Walay nakabutang size.
391. Sige ah. We'll see. Sa surprise. This na ako kuan.
May tani din
Pro.
discount din.
Okay ra siya. Masulod na ako. Amrag masoda siya nako. Size 36. Ah, okay. So, naka-order
mo.
dahil may ani. Barato lang lagi, no?
Pindot mo.
500 ra.
Gold po kay direct to order.
Yan na, pakilo na ni. Okay ka. Nice naman di ay. Order na nako. Pauban na atong 6 items.
Padala ma'am.
Wala pa ang boot siguro ay.
Ano?
Yes, basta. Sige lang.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.